everybody, and this is part 3. And this is the final part. It's only going to be like about 5 minutes long. It's on your watch. The Maisie one's gonna be the saddest and most saddest. Her legs. And she couldn't walk. She almost got her legs decapitated. I've never cried because bad stuff has happened, and I plan on me too. But this one might make me cry. As I watch it. It's like really disappointed. My last one. So let's say goodbye. My grandmother's in Fayette County. What? I'll see you whenever I start. I'll be saying words that the toilet. It'll have the music that's put on there in the last video. It's called Sad Christmas and it's on Volo. You just have to search out the word sad and then scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find Sad Christmas. That's the song I use. So beware, this will also make you sad. I know the screen's back again. But this is Toby. She died because her legs did not work. She was a great pup. And also, if you see my grandpa in the song, he is named Jack, and he died of a heart attack in 2022. Oh, God, I can't look. I can't look at all. That was me next to her when I first visited. Miss her. She died in 2023. Take the moment. Free RP videos for dead people and animals. Our family's a little sad. This family's very dark. This picture is the worst picture ever. Not because it's like the worst, because it's like the saddest. He and him both died. And I must have said year. 1 year apart. That's bad. Next. R.I.P. to Jack and Toby. No. Oh my shit. Like, holy crap, huh? What the hell is it doing? Go all the way back to the... Hi, everybody. I have to go all the way back to the end.
R.I.P. to Jack and Toby. Jack, 1949 to 2022. He was my grandpa. He turned 51 in 2000. He died when he was 73. If he were to still be alive, he would be 76 in September. But R.I.P. to Tom and Toby. Finally, this is gonna make me. I might not even be able to look at this. They even have a perfect sunset background. No, I just really wish Maisie was alive. I just really wish if she was alive. This family would be a whole better one. We don't know much more. If she were to be in this video, she would be sitting on the side with the more bricks. That side. Not the side that, not this one, that one. She would be on that side. She would have been closer to the door. This is the part.
It's time. This will be a very short video. We don't have any pictures of him. I mean her. But the only thing I can say, please pray for her. We will be showing the R.I.P. date.
R.I.P. Day was the littlest date ever. She died the day she something.
My mom, my dad, and I all miss Maisie. She died in the room, and I am about to show you the death date of my sister, which would have been my sister, Maisie.
R.I.P. Maisie. And I showed it for 43 seconds. R.I.P. Maisie, 2018. She died in the womb the same day she was born. So this will give you time to pray for her. She only stayed alive for an hour. She died when she was born. She died with me. I was the only one who got to see her. Well, I don't remember. I was only just an embryo. She would have been in first grade this year. And then she would have been going to first grade. Sorry, that's a Mr. Beast video. I'll just get off. So this is now how you understand my family. This is a meme from 2026 you will not understand. Oh, wait a minute, that's the wrong video. That's my video. Okay. I know what he's doing. It's not a meme. If it's a meme, he should have not have uploaded that until the year after that video. This nerd tried roasting me? Oh my god, no. 2 roasters in one For You page. Wow. Congrats.
My mom's supposed to get comments on all my videos. And they're a lot funnier than Riz. Wait, I know your ass is fucking lying. Your mom is literally paying homage to me. There ain't no fucking way a boomer is funnier than me. Despite that, it needs to stop. I tried asking my dad why she's been doing this, but he just told me to go ask my mom. Bro, who the fuck is reading the Daily Journal in 2023? Dude, World War II is already over. You can stop fucking reading that now. So, I decided to just confront her about it. And she explained she thinks my videos are just straight trash. Yeah, they're pretty fucking stupid. And the only way she'd stop hating to get a girlfriend. I might actually get a girlfriend. Oh my god, I decided to go to this kid's channel to see what his sister looked like and to see if she could possibly be my girlfriend. But all I found was this little kid right here.
What the fuck? What the? Oh my.
What?
What the hell?
This is a video of this chubby kid eating a Taki. I don't want to see this. I want to see your hot sister. I ended up looking all over this kid's channel trying to find his sister, and I couldn't find it at all. It was honestly pretty sad. I got super excited to have a girlfriend for once, and then he let me down. But then we saw this one. My 6-year-old sister thinks you're cute. What the heck? This kid just come.
Let's search up Pack God.
No, we might have found, because there's usually supposed to be like a little trap thing, and there's a thing at the bottom of the steps, and I didn't see it because it was covered with like litter and stuff.
Yeah.
That might be the thing where he can get in there and.
Okay, Dad. Can we go back in? Pack God. Let's listen to Pack God. Yeah. Let's listen to him. Oh, look at his new drip. I'm a huge Pack God fan. Please, if I ever get Discord, I'm gonna call him. I know I'm pretty gonna call him. Whew. Okay, what the okay. Pack on beach, that's my word.
Huge thank you to Hopper GX.
Oh, her mom walked in. I'm gonna have to turn this down a bit.
Judy and Kate. They just bought their first home and are learning a lot. Thanks to Google, Pedro knows
I'm
more
also
than
gonna be censoring.
You watch out right now for a limited time link in the bio. Camera done. Oh my God, what the hell is you wearing right now? Whatever your bird has to skull. And that, I cannot believe I'm looking at that.
Oh, what? I censored like the whole thing.
Look at that, bro. God, this is why the home mails me.
Sorry for half of the video being censored. Just the community guidelines.
I don't care.
God, this video's gonna be censored. Oh my God. And the rest of the video is censored. For POV, I get roasted by Packard. I'm gonna turn this up though.
What you say? How nice. Got me. Goodbye. What you say? How nice. Got me. Goodbye. What you say? How nice.
Let's go off of this account. Let's go on this dumb, stupid YouTube Kids. Yay, we get to go on YouTube Kids, the virgin app of hell. That's censored. Definitely. What is it do for not letting kids throw up in a car when they need to throw up? Like, shout out to the kids that need to throw up, but don't shout out to the moms. The moms are trying to get their kid that almost have like reverse indigestion. Holy crap! I'm gonna search. I'm gonna see if Pat God's actually on here. And if he is, he's gonna be like, "Oh, that's not nice. That's mean. Goodbye." Something like that. Let's search Pat God. And if it doesn't show up, I'm gonna smack that cat from Earth to Mars. Like a ping pong ball.